Guys, what I thought I would do today is do an unboxing. Something I ain't done in a while. I've ordered this Hori Hori garden knife by Perwin. Never owned one of these, but I've seen another YouTuber using it, and I really didn't even know there was such thing. But it looked like it came in pretty handy with the individual that was using it, so I said, you know what? I think I might get one of these and try it out. What I like about this one has a bottle opener on it, serrated edges, and it's got a very sharp edge, ergonomic handle, a curved blade, and a measurement scale that's actually on the knife itself. So if you're planting seeds, you can choose the depths and whatnot. So let's get into it. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so as we can see, we got a nice looking sheath that goes with it. Nice little snap there. All right. Now right off the bat, what I can tell you I like about this right now is the weight of it. This thing is solid. Like I said, it's got that full tang. It goes all the way through it. That's a nice looking knife there. And this thing is solid. Like you're not gonna bend that, but you're not gonna bend it. You're not gonna be able to break it unless you just really go hammer it with something and try to break it, you know, intentionally try to break it. This thing is solid. But like I said, it's got the that little measurement right down the blade there. You got your serrated edge. That's really good for cutting some thick, stubborn roots that is in the garden. This is, you got your sharp blade on this end. But I really like this thing. I'm 6'3", 280 pounds. And I'm gonna tell you, this thing fits good in my hand. If you wanna do some digging, get down at it, I think this knife is really gonna come in handy. And I always like it too, to be able to have something that you got strapped right to your side. So if you're, you know, out doing some yard work, you run across something real quick, you need to take care of it, got this right on your side. You ain't gotta go back to the shed or back to your garage to go grab another tool. You got it right there with you. I mean, this right here, honestly, if I didn't know it was gonna be like a garden tool, this thing could actually be a weapon, which they might have used it as a weapon at one point or another. Always be prepared, right? But anyways, this is a cool knife. It is made in China. Go figure, right? Just like everything else these days. But anyways, we're not gonna get into politics about it, but I really like the way this knife looks. I like the way it feels. I have not used it yet, as you can tell, straight out of the box. But I will be using it. I like the idea with the, you know, you plant seeds. It's real easy to just get in there, slide it over, plant your seed, and at the right depth that you want to use it at. So any of you guys and gals out there that might be interested in getting one of these Hori Hori garden knives, hey, I'd jump all over it if I were you. Especially this brand here I got, this Perwin. Might be something that you might want to check out. I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this video. Come back and see me.